East Borneo, also known as Kalimantan, is a land of natural wonders and breathtaking beauty. Tucked away in this remote corner of the world are some of the most incredible natural phenomena that have been sculpted by millions of years of geological and environmental processes. Unearthing nature's masterpiece in East Borneo is an opportunity to connect with the raw power and beauty of the natural world. It is a chance to delve into the mysteries of the earth and gain a deeper understanding of the forces that have shaped the planet. It is a reminder that even in our modern, technologically advanced world, nature still holds the key to some of the most incredible and awe-inspiring wonders. More than just aesthetics, natural beauty also has an important role in maintaining ecosystem balance and environmental sustainability. This natural beauty, an invaluable gift, should be appreciated and preserved wholeheartedly. Let's take care of this earth with love so that its beauty can be enjoyed forever, for all time. Earth, our common home. Take care of him with love so that life can continue to bloom. And a bright future is created for all.